I don't believe that anybody wants Nigeria to continue the way it is today. The very, very difficult times that we are in has been brought to us by the bad governance of the APC government. And we believe that we are able to redeem Nigeria, to rescue it, and to begin a process of rebuilding this nation. PDP has been tested in the past. Yes, we've been out of office in the last 7 years. Where we made mistakes, we have learned our lessons. We have apologized to Nigerians. We are coming back as a rebranded PDP, ready to work, to continue to build on the foundations that we laid, not on the foundation that was destroyed by the APC governance in the last 7 years. And the process starts from now. We need to give courage and hope to Nigerians that we are prepared to truly rescue this nation and to rebuild this nation. And that hope and that process will start on the Osun State election. So we must take this challenge upon ourselves as members of the campaign council, that we have a very, very important assignment on our hands. By the time we win the elections on July the 16th, it will definitely spring the party up and cause us to go the right track as we begin the process of reclaiming this nation back and rebuilding our nation Nigeria to the nation of our dream, where we can boast of a nation that is united, where we will be able to talk about a nation where insecurity will be a thing of the past, where we will need to begin to rebuild the economy of this nation, where we need to begin to reattend to the issues of education, because we know what it is at the moment, where our children are back home. In the last several months, they cannot be in school because the current government does not even care about the issues of the education of our children. That's a recipe for crisis, but it is for us to work hard to start the process of rebuilding the education sector, rebuilding the economy, and also we are focused, very focused as a party and as the candidate has told us, on the need to begin the process of restructuring of this nation, particularly by devolving more powers to the states and the local governments. And together, we will begin to build a new nation, working with the organized private sector, working with the youths of this nation, working with our women and our elders to build a new nation that we can call our own, a new nation where we will not be talking about where we are from, but a new nation in which we can all be proud of one nation, one Nigeria that we stand for.